The streets is calling. Let's dance. This September, the heartbeat of culture returns. Get ready to ignite the streets of Ho with rhythm, color, and unmissable energy. Borborbor Carnival 2025 is here. Bigger, bolder, and more electrifying than ever. On Saturday, September 27th, 2025, as part of the legendary Asogli Yam Festival, the city of Ho will come alive. With your masks on, carnival gears ready, and dancing feet set, you're invited to a street celebration like no other. From the hills to the coast, over 10 incredible Borborbor groups from across Ghana will battle in the 2025 National Borborbor Championship. Who will rise? Who will rule the rhythms? Come and witness dance, drum, and tradition in their rawest and fiercest form. This is more than a contest. It's a cultural spectacle, a national celebration of unity, heritage, and pride. Bring the whole family. Premier traditional carnival, street games, and electrifying performances. There's something for everyone, from elders to little ones. So mark your calendar. Saturday, 27 September 2025, Ho Bankoi, Volta region, Ghana. Don't just hear about it, live it. Let's dance, let's celebrate, let's make history together. Brought to you by the Borborbor Carnival Asogli State Council. Proudly supported by GBC Lifestyle TV, Shop Better, VC Ventures, SG Lauren, and Verna Water.